Hi, welcome to the channel. In this video, let us unbox Moto G51 retail unit and have a closer look. Here is the retail box and have a closer look at the box. Now, let us go ahead and do the unboxing. Here is the foam. It is already pre-applied with a transparent silicone case. Keep it aside for now. Here is the manual and SIM ejection tool. Next, we have the 20-watt charger and a USB-C to USB-A cable. Moto G51 is available in two color variants, indigo blue and bright silver. This is the indigo blue variant and weighs around 208 grams. We have a Google Assistant key, volume buttons and a power key with a fingerprint scanner on the right side. Next, we have a mono speaker, USB-C port, primary microphone and 3.5 mm headphone jack in the bottom. The hybrid SIM card tray is on the left top. The noise cancellation mic is on the top. The unibody design is made up of polycarbonate with IP52 dust and water resistance. In the rear, it has a triple camera setup. This includes 50 megapixel primary camera, 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 2 megapixel macro camera. In the front, it has 13 megapixel camera for selfies. Moto G51 has 6.8-inch Full HD Plus LCD panel with a 128Hz refresh rate. Coming to software, it runs on the near stock version of Android 11 with few Motorola customization. It is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 Plus processor with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. It has 5000 mAh battery and it can be charged with a 20-watt charger provided in the box. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions about this smartphone, please write in the comment section.